Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video tutorial for grade 2 mathematics, and this is our revision lesson for multiplication. We are going to learn the multiplication table of 10. So let's begin. When we say the multiplication table of 10, it means we will count by 10. We will count by 10. What is the meaning of counting by 10? Let's have a look here. If I will say counting by 10, I may have one group of 10. Like if I have one group of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if there is a one group of 10, then we can say it's 10 times 1. I can say it's one group of 10. So the total will be equal to 10. For two groups of 10, it means if we take the two groups and each group have 10 members in it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So then we say it is 10 times 2. 10 times 2 mean there are two groups, each one is having 10, 10. So then the total is going to be 20. In the same way, 10 times 3 mean there are three groups of 10. It will be 30. 10 times 4 will be 40. 10 times 5 will be 50. 10 times 6 will be 60. And 10 times 7 will be 70. 10 times 8 will be 80. 10 times 9 will be 90. And 10 times 10 mean 10 groups of 10. The total will be 100. Have a look at the activity book page number 37. Right now you can see it on your screen. The first question is fill in the correct answers in the boxes. Right now there are two groups of cats. This is first group, this is second group. If we count, each group is having 10. 10 cats are in each group. So I can say there are two groups of 10. Two groups of 10 mean 10 plus 10. And 10 plus 10, if you do the total for them, it gives 20. Another way to write 10 plus 10 or two groups of 10 is 2 times 10. It gives 20. Second question is how many shells are there altogether? If we look, there are three groups here, 1, 2, and 3. And in each group, how many shells are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 shells in each group. So we are having total 3 groups. So if we add them, it can be 10 plus 10 plus 10. And the total is going to be 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 can be written in another way as 3 tens. 3 tens will be 30. Or 3 times 10, it's 30. So there are 30 shells altogether. Here very simple multiplication. 7 times 10 makes 70. 5 times 10 makes 50. 3 times 10 makes 30. 8 times 10 makes 80. 6 times 10 makes 60. And 10 times 10 makes 100. And next here we have the worksheet number 6, activity book page number 38. Let's complete it. The question is saying find the product of 13 and 4. Now if we look at the diagram shown here, it's one group of 13, another group of 13, another group, and another group. So there are total 4 groups of 13. It means it's 13 times 4. But if we make the two groups from that one, so it means I will make this one as a group and this one as a group. So there will be two groups. So then it means in each group, if we count these 13 and these 13, so total are going to be 26. So this will be 26, this will be 26. And if we count them all together, they will give us here 52. Here we have 10 times 4, it can be 40, or 3 times 4 can be 12. So another way to write them, or you can write them in this way, instead of 26 plus 26 to equal groups. In this way they can also be written as 40 plus 12. So both ways can be used. Either you can keep this in mind and can do it in this way, or you can do it in this way. So both ways will be acceptable. Sometimes students write any two quantities which in total gives 52. So can be, but here actually we are making the two groups. So it's better if we make the groups accordingly in this way or in this way, as we made the two equal groups. These two groups are not equal, but they are in the form of the tens and in the form of the fourth. So can be any other way. Now next one is multiply. Here we have the numbers bigger than 10. So when we have the numbers bigger than 10, so how we will multiply them? Let's see. It's very simple. What you will do, you will multiply this first number here with this one, 2 times 3. If you take 2 times 3, we know 2 times 3 is 6. So I will write here 6. And then first this number with this one, and then this number with this one. This will be the way to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. So we'll write here 4. Next is 3 times 2, in first this one and then this one. This is the way to multiply. 3 times 2, 2 times 3, it gives 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now first I will multiply 2 with 1 and this 2 with 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 1 is 2. Now 2 times 9. It means first I will multiply this with this, then this with this. If I take 2 times 9, it gives 18. As 18 is a number bigger than 9, so it means I will write only 8 here, and this 1 will be carry. This remaining 1 will be carry. So now 2 times 1 makes 2, and then this carry we will add. First I will multiply 2 with this number and then add the carry. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, it will give 3. So it means 19 times 2 gives 38. 3 times 6, first I will multiply this with this and this one with this one. So 3 times 6, if I will take 3 times 6, it makes 18. So as 18 is a number greater than 9, so I must have to write the one digit number and the next one will be carry. So I will write here 8 and 1 will be carry. So first multiply 3 with 2 and then add the carry. 3 times 2 is 6 and then add the carry, it will make 7. Now multiply this one with this and this number with this. So 4 times 5 or 5 times 4, it makes 20. So for 20 we will write 0 and 2 will be carry. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 will be 6. And next one here is 4 times 3 is 12. So for 12 we will write 2, 1 will be carry. And 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, it will make 5. In the same way, first this one, 5 with 2 and 5 with 1. So if I will do 5 times 2, 5 times 2 makes 10. For 10 I will write 0 and this 1 will be carry. So 5 times 1 is 5 and add the carry, it will become 6. In the same way, I have to multiply 5 times 4 makes 20. For 20 I will write 0 and the 2 will be carry. Now 5 times 1 will be 5 and add the carry, so we'll have 7. Now here is the worksheet number 7 about the multiplication word problems. Page number is 39 for the activity book. So let's begin. The question is, there are 5 potatoes in each bag. How many potatoes are there in 4 such bags? I mean, we are having 4 bags and in each bag there are 5 potatoes, like 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. Each bag is having 5 potatoes. It means we can say 4 times 5, or we can say these are 4 groups of 5, because 4 bags, each one having 5. So these are 4 groups of 5, or we can say these are 4 fives. So 4 times 5 will give 20. You can count them also, total 5, 10, 15 and 20. So here will be 20. So there are 20 potatoes altogether. In the next one, there are 8 jelly beans in a bag. Each bag is having 8 jelly beans. So how many jelly beans are there in 10 such bags? So there are total 10 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you count them all together, or you will get 80. So there are 80 altogether. Or you can multiply. Remember, any number multiplied with 0 will give 0. And then this one, 8 times 1 makes 8. And then the next one here is Frida uses 4 eggs to bake a cake. How many eggs does she use to bake 12 cakes? Okay, for one cake, 4 eggs are used. So for 12 cakes will be 12 times 4 or 4 times 12. So if we will multiply here first, 4 times 2 makes 8 and 4 times 1 makes 4. Or you can add all of these, you will get 48. So 12 times 4, it means it will be equal to 48. So she uses 48 eggs. And then here is the skill practice 4. Hopefully you understand the multiplication. So this you can do on your own. In case of any problem or question, you can ask me. So thank you very much. See you next time with a new topic. Goodbye.